This beautiful patient had a previous rhinoplasty, but had unfortunately trouble breathing. And you can see here the columella was deviated to the left pretty severely, and the septum on the inside as well. And so what we did is we fully restructured her nose. We used spreader grafts, we straightened out the septum. And then some of that columellar excess we smoothed down because with a monopod support from the middle, that helps support the tip, and then you don't depend on that columella for support. So you have a beautiful, straight, nice contour. Swelling's coming down beautifully at 1 month, and we're just gonna keep getting better from here.
I absolutely love it so far. I can breathe so much better, and it's so much more symmetrical.